All right, what's the solution to the proportion? We are multiplying the diagonals and setting them equal to each other in order to solve. So what we get is 4 times x minus 8 equals 5 times 2. And if we distribute this through, we've got 4x minus 32 equals 10. And then we say 4x minus 32 plus 32 equals 10 plus 32. Okay? And then 4x is equal to 42, and 4x divided by 4 is equal to 42 divided by 4, which actually makes x equal to 10.5. And that is the solution. I'm just going to show you how this functions inside our problem, though, just really briefly. Kind of proof-like, but not exactly. If we were to take x minus 8 over 5 equals 2 over 4, and we were to then substitute in for x the value that we got, 10.5, then we would get 2.5 over 5 equals 2 over 4. And you can just examine this. Notice this is 1/2 because you should see that it simplifies to 1/2, but one way of thinking about it is that 2 is exactly half of 4. That's what makes it 1/2. Okay? And here, 2.5 is exactly half of 5, also 1/2. So you can see that that works.